Hi friend, my name is Ashish Kumar. I am a yoga practitioner. So earlier we discussed that there are three ways according to Srimad Bhagavad Gita: Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga. You have to decide in which yoga you want. Again, we discussed that Bhakti Yoga you have to follow because you can't depend on Gyan and Karma. So Bhakti Yoga will lead you. So you need some more, analyzing and contemplation on that. Here I want to share one yoga that is very common in nowadays. Very common, might you heard about that, might be. That is Maharshi Patanjali's Yoga Sutra. So this yoga followed by most of the population of the world. Just because in this yoga there are level. If you actually Bhakti Yoga also anybody can do, but yeah, this is a yoga, and if you follow this, then you will get samadhi. So definitely we will discuss on this very yoga. But today I want to share some of my information, some of my knowledge with you regarding Yoga Sutra. So basically Yoga Sutra is what? So Yoga Sutra of Maharshi Patanjali Yoga. So Yoga Sutra, there are 195, 196 sutra. Somewhere it is 195 and 96. So these sutras is what? Sutra means what? Sutra is, you can understand sutra is a key. In a gross level I am just telling you. And actually it's a very vast meaning. I cannot define what the exact meaning of sutra. Actually I can't define anything in yoga. So whatever I am just telling you, it's my sharing, whatever I understand. But sutra, if I tell you, so in that way, sutra, I tell you, sutra is a key. And in my experience, every sutra is a key for yoga. For example, now I am discussing with you the first sutra of Maharshi's Patanjali Yoga Sutra, that is Atha Yoga Anushashanam. So if you see the meaning, so see, Maharshi Patanjali was the great, he was his grammar was fantastic. So in one word he said one book. So it is very impossible for me to tell you the proper meaning. But definitely I will try my best. So Atha means now. Somewhere it is now, let's come, let's begin, kind of this. And yoga is come, so let's come in yoga. Atha yoga, let's come in yoga. And Anushashanam is discipline. So let's come in yoga and follow discipline. In this sutra, there are so many commentators said so many things. One of my teacher who said very nice thing to me, I am just sharing with you. So Maharshi Patanjali said to you, just impress myself. So from this sutra, yoga says, impress yoga, impress higher reality. What you can do by the way, by discipline, impress them. So like this, so many people came and so many commentators said about this sutra. But definitely what I observed from this sutra, discipline is a way of life. You say, no, discipline is not the thing. So many people don't follow discipline, though they don't sleep on time, they don't wake up early, they have no timing of having food. I am just telling you the gross level. They have definitely, if they are in job, he has to achieve because because he is earning money. If he is they are earning money, they will follow the rule and regulation of the job. But after that in life, no, they want freedom. So here I want to say you that why you want freedom? Nobody, this is karma bandhan. Our life is karma bandhan. So we have to die, we have to follow some. It's not a scary thing to know. To knowing that you will die is a good thing, it's knowledge. Everybody will die. So discipline, see, the whole universe is disciplined. Sun, moon, planet, they all are disciplined. They are not colliding each other. Just imagine if they are not disciplined, what will happen? They are just moving on their own axis. This whole nature is disciplined. You have to think over it. Just ponder it upon. What I am saying is right or wrong. The whole system, the whole scenario, the whole society is disciplined. All things are working on a proper pattern. Every species is disciplined. Tiger give birth to tiger, not deer. Deer give birth to deer. See, the whole thing is disciplined. Our body is disciplined. Let's come on body. Don't see here, there. Your blood circulation, your all system, your nervous system is disciplined so that you are understanding me and I am telling you it's disciplined, or all are channelized. Heart is disciplined. If heart says, no, I am tired, Baba, from the day of birth, of your birth, I am just pumping. Not day of birth, in the womb, I am pumping. Still now I am pumping. How many days I have to do that? Please give me some rest. Lungs will say, no, I am just taking air and releasing air and supplying oxygen to all over the body. I don't want to do that. I want some Sunday. Please, make some Sunday. All are working. Nobody take rest. All are disciplined. So why you not? I am not telling you to do the work. I am not giving you any kind of information that you feel scary about this thing. Why don't you enjoy discipline? I enjoy discipline. I wake up, I sleep at time. So I enjoy my body. I enjoy my health. Definitely, if you want something, you have to give something. It's a law of nature, not the man. If you want something, if you want to be a doctor, you have to work hard for a doctor. If you want anything, you have to give an effort. Now, while having food also, you need to give some effort. Don't look it another way. I am just telling you that you need something to do something. So the whole thing are discipline. So our body needs discipline. In yoga also, when you want to channelize your body, mind and soul, then in that case you need discipline. So the first Yoga Sutra says At Yoga Anushashanam. In yoga, if you want to do yoga, let's discipline. And you can. Discipline is inside you. You have a infinite potential inside you. Don't think I can or I cannot. No. If you think you can, you can. If you think you cannot, you are right. So, I am ending my conversation. I hope you got what I want to say. And it was a great sharing from my side. And if anything you want to give me, please give me, because it is very good for me. And I hope in future you will definitely give me some suggestions. Thank you, dear.